Hello everyone. Welcome to our class of Python for Learning App Development. This is a beginner level class. So if you are planning to learn Python for app development, then you are in the right place because in this class, we will cover everything to get you started with app development with Python. Let's take a look what you will learn from this class. Introduction, the GUI libraries with Python, Tkinter, Qt, Pygame, and also Kivy. Prerequisite setup, project creation and installation of Kivy, Python was not found error fix, button and label, box layout, size hint and pause hint, embed a layout, anchor layout, grid layout, stack layout, scroll view, page layout, button click, create a counter, custom font, toggle button, enable or disable the counter, switch, slider, display the value of the slider, enable the slider, and progress bar. After completing this class, you will be able to use the GUI kits or the GUI libraries, use up or set up Kivy project, design layouts, implement widgets, create interactive apps, draw with canvas, apply practical examples, and also animate elements. This is a project-based class. So during learning, you will have class project. So what you learned, you will be able to participate in class project and you can practice while you are learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there for you to help you out. So let's start learning Python for app development together.